Okay, next question. What should I do when my garden turns into a mosquito resort every summer? Yeah. What should I do when my garden turns into a mosquito resort every summer? Mosquitoes love to party, but they're not on my guest list. And I take it they're not on your guest list. So introduce some citronella plants, set up mosquito traps, and I hope that helps, right? What's the best way to avoid garden envy when my neighbor's garden looked like a magazine cover? Garden envy strikes again. Remember that every garden has its own unique charm. You can take inspiration from your neighbor's garden, but make your garden a true reflection of your personality. All right. Now, if you do that before long, you will be a neighborhood trendsetter.